Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. If you are on the hunt of simple yet effective ways to elevate your home's aesthetic game, you have come to the right place. In today's video, we are diving deep into a treasure of trove of easy home decor tips and tricks that will help you to transform your living space into a stylish heaven. From clever storage solutions to budget-friendly DIY projects, we have got it all covered. So let's jump right in. Before diving into decor, it's essential to declutter your space. A clutter-free room instantly feels more spacious and inviting. Embrace storage solutions like basket shelves and storage ottomans to keep everything neat and tidy. An organized space provides the perfect canvas for your decor elements to shine. Color has an incredible impact on the mood of a room. Choose a color palette that resonates your style with atmosphere and you want to create. You can introduce color through the accent walls, through pillows, artwork, and even small decorative items. Remember, harmonious color choices can create a cohesive and visually pleasing environment. Texture add depth and dimension to your decor. Combine various textures such as smooth, rough, soft, and shiny to create visual interest. Think about incorporating textures through area rugs, cushions, curtains, and even wall hangings. This layering effect brings warmth and sophistication to your space. Lighting is a game changer in home decor. Experiment with ambient task and accent lighting to create different moods. Consider installing dimmer switches to control the intensity of your light. Additionally, don't underestimate the magic of candles and string lights. They infuse coziness and charm into your room. Mirrors are a secret weapon when it comes to making a room appear larger and brighter. Position mirrors across from windows to reflect natural light. Additionally, mirrored furniture and decor pieces can add a touch of glamour to your space. Investing in one or two statement furniture pieces can instantly elevate your decor, whether it's an ornate accent chair or a vintage coffee table or a uniquely designed bookshelf. These pieces can become conversation starter and focal point in your room. Unleash your creativity with DIY projects. Create personalized artwork that reflects your style and experiences. Whether it's abstract painting, hand-lettered quotes, or even photo collages, your DIY creations can add a personal touch to your space that store budget items can't replicate. Sometimes a simple rearrangement of furniture can breathe a new life into your room. Experiment with different layouts to optimize the flow and functionality of your space. It's a cost-free way to keep things fresh and exciting. Introduce greenery and natural elements indoors can instantly liven up your decor. Houseplants not only purify the air but also add sense of tranquility. Incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, and rattan through furniture and decor items to create an earthy vibe. When arranging decor items, think about grouping them in odd numbers 3, 5, 7, etc. For an aesthetically pleasing arrangement, vary the heights and sizes of the items to create visual balance, whether it's on a shelf, coffee table, or a mantel. Thoughtful displays add a curated and intentional touch into your space. There you have it, a treasure trove of easy home decor tips and tricks that will undoubtedly help you to create a stylish and inviting space. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring